Hi, Professor Folkway. Welcome to my video. This is my oral defense, and then I'm going to start with my opening statement. It says, what is for you the single most important idea in regression analysis? Regression analysis changed my way um, to view the world because I think regression analysis is about. I learned that the regression analysis is about optimism because we are trying to predict something unpredictable. A lot of people think it's not possible, but it is possible using math logically. So I think that's a great thing that I learned from this course. And then my understanding evolved throughout this course. After I learned significantly after simple linear regression because I learned simple linear regression. I took simple linear regression very seriously, and it helped me a lot throughout the course. Um, the key insight from the theory is that I think the linear I it was kind of like a review of the linear algebra. It's kind of connected to the next question, share a surprising finding from your applied work. I think linear algebra, like the connection between linear algebra and then regression analysis are the most, it's something that I really, really liked about, and then I learned a lot from it. Okay, explain why you're champion. My champion model, um, one because it has because just because AIC prefers um a large model, and then I think the model that I had is quite large. So I think that's the one the factor of why my AIC is the champion. And what is the most challenging on Concord Peak you still see? I still have the idea that I need more mathematical maturity. Um, you know, y- like a Professor Folkway writes things on a backboard, then I kind of see, and then I want to be able to write those things without seeing anything, just with my by my heart. I want to be able to write those mathematical notations and the mathematical ideas on the backboard. Yeah. I enjoyed linear algebra aspects of regression analysis. Coding part was hard. Coding part was tough, but um, R is very difficult language, very technical language, but I think the coding was hard. Enjoyable concept to master was I just loved doing math, It's just there's a lot of mathematical concepts um, in just drawing a single line between the points, data points. There's a lot of mathematical concepts involved in it. I think I really enjoyed just doing math was my favorite thing about this course. I would expect D, no, not D, B for this assignment. I worked hard, but in terms of explaining things or um, I just feel like I should have more involved or should have said my opinion more, things like that. So I think I would. B is what I expect from this assignment. How has your I think after this course, whenever I see some kind of a data from newspapers or it, I think whenever it's really weird because even though I took the course, even though I took the course in immigration analysis, I think outside of the world, if I see a data, it would question me a lot. I would question myself a lot with the data. Um, what's the relationship between these two? And is this scientific, like statistically significant? Like, are these predictors or statistically significant? I would probably be more analytical about it. So that's how I changed my view in data. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much, Professor, and then I hope you have a great day. Thank you.